Hey everyone, it's Sarah here, your friendly host from Health and Wellness 101. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been following me since my Healthy Hair 101 days, thank you for sticking around on this new journey with me. Today, I want to dive deep into a topic that has been gaining a lot of attention in the health and wellness community: methylation. Now, I know it might sound like a complicated term, but trust me, it's something we all need to understand. So what is methylation and why does it matter? Well, let me break it down for you. Methylation is a biochemical process that happens in our bodies where a methyl group is added to a molecule. Now, I won't bore you with all the scientific details, but what you need to know is that methylation plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. You see, methylation is involved in so many important functions in our bodies. It helps with DNA repair, detoxification, hormone regulation, and even the production of neurotransmitters. When methylation is working properly, it keeps our bodies running like a well-oiled machine. But when it's not functioning optimally, it can lead to a whole host of health issues. One of the main reasons why methylation matters is because it affects our ability to detoxify. In today's world, we are constantly exposed to toxins from our environment, food, and even the products we use on our bodies. If our methylation pathways are not working efficiently, these toxins can build up in our system and wreak havoc on our health. This can lead to chronic inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and even an increased risk of chronic diseases. But here's the good news. There are ways to support and optimize our methylation pathways. One of the key nutrients that plays a crucial role in methylation is called folate. You might have heard of it before, as it's commonly found in leafy greens and other vegetables. By ensuring we have enough folate in our diet, we can support our methylation pathways and promote overall health. Now, I want to make it clear that I am not here to give you any product recommendations. That's not what Health and Wellness 101 is about. Instead, I want to empower you with knowledge and provide you with the tools to make informed decisions about your health. So, if you're interested in learning more about methylation and how to support it, I encourage you to do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional. Before I wrap up this monologue, I just want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you found this information helpful. And as always, I love hearing from you, so leave a comment down below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding methylation and its importance, we can take control of our health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.